Hey everybody, it's almost Christmas. It's Christmas Eve. Wow, time flew by so fast. It went zoom, zoom. Yeah, things are happening fast here. You can almost hear the bells ringing, the sleigh bells. Wow, yeah, I can hear them. Yeah, I heard them. Yep, I did. Yes, the fun is here. It's on the way. Depending on what time zone you're in, it's almost Christmas. Or you got a couple more hours. Either way, Santa Claus is coming to town. Yeah. Everybody ready? Everybody get the milk and cookies ready for Santa to come down the chimney, through the keyhole, or under the door, or just up here. Crazy. Yeah, sure is. Freaky too. Then you get up, hear this crunch, 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 crunch. Yep. That would be him eating cookies. Yep. Don't forget to leave some stuff for the reindeer. It's a big journey for them, you know. They like their fruits, not the fruits, no. Vegetables. The fruits, too much sugar, make them hyper. They do loop-de-loops. You know what happens then? Everything falls out of the sleigh. Gotta go pick up stuff. Ah. Yeah, crazy stuff happens. Yes, it does. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to sing more for you. I'm sure some people are disappointed. Oh, am I kidding? Nobody is. Oh, I cracked myself up. Yes, I do. Funny. Yep, this is the way things go. We've got our tree here. We've got stuff ready for tomorrow. Then we've got the big meal. We've got cookies. We've got some puff pastries for tomorrow morning's breakfast. Oh, I can't wait. It's going to be so good. Tasty. Yes. Nothing says a good Christmas meal like a nap in the afternoon. But, well, I've got to go take care of a few odds and ends. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Merry Christmas to you. Goodbye for now.
Merry Christmas, everybody. It's Christmas Eve, and in a little time, it will be Christmas. Yes. Yes. Ha ha. Christmas. Yes. I can't wait. Open my presents. If I get a remote control vehicle I can drive, well, I'm gonna go for a spin. Yes, I will. Yes. I just gotta make sure I look around so I don't get nailed for speeding. Yeah, wouldn't that be no fun? Go to jail for Christmas? No. Never thought of a baby driving though. But, is everybody get presents ready? You get your eye on your tree to make sure that when Santa comes, you can see what's under the tree. Is anybody gonna sneak up around the corner and spy on old Santa? Hey, I see him. Oh, yes. Yes. Don't drink his milk. He might take it bad and make you a bad person, give you lump of coal. Yes. Give you cookies, carrots for the reindeer. Yes, they like that stuff, I think. That's what I told. Been told that, yes. Anybody there? Oh, there's somebody there. Hey, you're new. I haven't seen you before. Hi, how you doing? Welcome to the meatball. Yes, I have been told that I should go to bed early tonight so that when Santa comes, I am fast asleep in bed. Yes, this way, time will go by so much faster if I'm sleeping than awake. It's gonna be good. So, Merry Christmas, everybody. Love ya. Bye-bye for now. Merry Christmas, everybody. It's almost here. Christmas Eve. Oh, the good times, the memories. Make sure you take lots of pictures and lots of film so you can look back on all the memories of smiling and happiness, remembering loved ones that might move away. Yes, everything is possible. Tomorrow is a day of love. The power of Jesus will prevail. Make sure you sit down and pray before you eat your meal. And bless everybody. I bless everybody and wish everybody a wonderful Christmas. I hope everybody enjoys every part of the day, whether it be from the cookies or the fruitcake that you say you don't like, which you might not. But, to make somebody smile, you say it was good. But some love it. I love fruitcake. Yes. Make sure that you don't eat Santa's cookies. I know some people will. I'm back. I'm sorry. I had to answer the phone. Yes, we got some family coming in tomorrow. They're going to be here at about 9 to 9:30. I hope you guys all enjoy having time spent with your families. Be kind, be nice, eat well. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Bye-bye from all of us at the Meet the Ball and friends. Bye-bye for now. Merry Christmas.